Hi everyone, I wanted to do a video today on a face massage routine that I do on myself almost daily and on my clients when they come in for a massage. So face massage is really great for anyone experiencing headaches or TMJ pain, sinus pressure, just overall anxiety. Sometimes we're clenching down on our teeth, creating so much tension without even realizing it. At least I know I do. Sometimes I'm like, oh my God, how long was I clenched down like that for? So this is going to be a great routine. All you need are your hands, obviously, as well as some oil. So I recommend a plant-based oil. I like this organic rose hip seed oil. Doesn't smell the best, but it works great and it leaves your skin feeling really silky and smooth. And I put it on before bed every night and I feel like I wake up nice and dewy. So I do recommend it, but the smell, it takes a little bit of getting used to. I've been using it for a while, so I kind of don't even notice it now. So I put a little bit on my hands, start at my neck, put it all over my face. Kind of evenly. Okay. So start down here by your clavicle. We have some lymph nodes here that I just kind of like to get stimulated a little bit. So very light pressure around here, circular motion. And I kind of start at the top of my neck. Again, very light. And work my way down. And then very light strokes to kind of get everything moving down there. And that's, like I said, that's just for the lymph nodes. Now, as you can see, this big guy, SEM, kind of goes up here. So I do like to work this when I'm doing a face massage just quickly. So take these two guys, 2 fingers, and to find it easier and to kind of make it more pronounced, I just work my way up. Sometimes it feels good too if you even start here and then turn your head in the opposite direction. Feels really good. I want to hang out longer here because I found a little trigger point that really needs some extra work, but for the sake of the length of this video, I will not. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side and just kind of work our way up. Now again, if you feel like you want to give any part of your face or neck a little bit of love during this, feel free to pause and work a little bit more on it. You know, it's very intuitive, so. And it's your face. If you feel like you want to do this for an hour, rock on, have at it. Okay, so now I bring my hands, I bring my thumbs underneath, and with a little bit of firm pressure, and this should never hurt, but I'm going to pull back up into the ear and the TMJ area. A few times. I usually do everything 3 to 4 times. And then I'm going to go in little, take these 2 fingers again, little circles, all the way up the ear, and do that a few times, right along the jawline. Well, right along the jawline, like up to there. And this should feel really good. It should never feel like, ow, that hurts. You know, if it does, then back off a little bit. Sometimes I feel like a little bit of, it's almost that tenderness that you know needs it. You know, it feels, it's tender, but you're like, wow, this feels really good at the same time. So again, just use your intuition. So then I always like to make nice after I work an area. Now this brings us up to the TM joint. So to find that, you're going to up and down, open your mouth, and it should stick out a little bit. So you're going to kind of, you can either palpate, find what feels best for you. Again, if this is an area that you might want to work a little bit longer, but just do circular motions, clockwise and counterclockwise, feels really good. And you could hang out here for longer if you want. And then bring that up to, there's hair on me, bring that up to your temples. Much lighter pressure here, I suggest. I never like super hard pressure on my temples. I just feel like it's a more tender area and it needs a little lighter love there. And then bring those 2 fingers all the way up to your forehead and continue those circular motions, kind of one over the other, as you can see that I'm doing. Bring it to your hairline Give that a little extra attention also. In between your eyebrows, your third eye, you can bring it there, and then over your eyebrows. I just like to take the 2 fingers and just kind of pull it. Now I'm going to take my pointer and thumb, and I'm going to kind of pull out my eyebrow and then squeeze down a little bit. So just like this. And while I'm doing this, I take one deep breath in and out for each squeeze. So deep breath in, deep breath out, and we're going to do that all the way down. I mean, as long as, or I shouldn't say as long, but you know, we're doing this to potentially relieve headaches and all of that, but it's also a great time to kind of get in your body and take deep breaths and do this with intention and take this time just to kind of be, you know, and to focus on your breathing. So now I'm going to take my thumb, put up my third eye, massage that a little bit, and then go underneath my eyebrow, and same deep breaths, and kind of push up a little bit in your eyebrow. That should feel really good also. And then again, give it some extra love. Make nice, as I like to say. Now we're gonna go down to underneath our cheek. So we're going to start at the edge of our nose. Firm pressure, not too firm, but you know, firm enough where it's not hurting. We're going to slide it all the way here. So start at the edge of the nose, underneath the cheekbone, and then press up a little bit. I mean, such great faces too along with this, so at least we have that also. All the way out. And again, 3 or 4 times. You might start to feel your sinuses open up. It feels really nice. I then take my thumbs underneath again. I don't like to get too close under the eye because the, you know, thinner skin there. But underneath the nose, and I kind of move along like I did with the eyebrow. So I move over like a tiny bit, push up a little bit, might feel a little bit tender under here, especially if you're having sinus issues. But also really good at the same time. And make nice. And it brings us down to our lips. So I like to go like this. Same 2 fingers and same circular motions. Kinda. And when do we massage this? Well, now we do. It feels really good. And it almost feels like tingling. You feel that blood flow coming. It's like, oh, what's that? That's what my face has been missing. Okay. So that might feel really good. Make nice. And then I close my fist. Have like kind of go like this. Close my fist, pull out my thumbs a little bit. And to kind of get right here again. So we're going to pull up. Keep the fist under. And pull up. Feels so good. Yep. And pull up. Now that's going to bring us to our ears. So I like to go like this. Some people, I feel like maybe can't do this. So go like this, just make some kind of scissors. And then you're going to go up and down your ears. When do our ears ever get massaged? Like never. So this might feel really good. Up and down a few times. And then starting down below your earlobes, same circular motions, up your ears, all the way to the top, and then back down again. And then I like to pull on them as well. This could also be a bit tender. And if you want to make a monkey face, that's fine too. So good. Then end by making nice. and the whole face. I like to just kind of bring everything in an upward motion, just to say goodbye to the face. I start up top and I pull outwards. And then final raindrops. I like to end on myself and on my clients with this. Sometimes I have clients who start laughing because they're not expecting it, but feels really good. And that is it. I hope that helped a little bit. I hope that you feel really good. I feel a little bit invigorated and a little bit like maybe I want to go relax a little bit and take a little snooze. But either way, I feel really good. So yeah, hope that helped. And I hope everybody's well. Any comment, suggestions, you know, for any future videos, if you're having issues with anything, low back pain, forearm, neck pain, leave a comment below and I will try to get a video out for you. Hope everybody's well and see everybody soon.